Hi everyone, Tom from VIP Security, and today I'm going to show you how to activate the strobe light and siren on your DAHUA TiOC camera. So to start off with, we just want to right click anywhere on the live view, then left click on main menu, left click on AI, left click on IVS. Make sure you already have a tripwire enabled. If you don't, I will link to that. Left click on trigger, left click on camera audio, and make sure camera audio is ticked on the channel that you want it to be enabled on. Once enabled, you can pick the sound that you want the camera to play. I like the standard alarm noise. Some people like you are under surveillance. You can also change how many times you want the audio to play. For this demonstration, I'll just put it down to 1. Then click OK. Then click remote warning light setting. Make sure that is also enabled. And here you can adjust the flicker rate and how long you want the light to flicker for. I like the standard settings, so I'll keep them standard. Click apply. Make sure to accept that, and I'll now show you how to activate the siren on your DMSS app. Go to device details. Once in device details, you just want to tap on disable alarm linkage here. Gray means that the camera is armed. Now that I've armed the camera, I'll demonstrate it for you.